Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head to head so you don't end up buying a flying toaster instead of a drone. Today, we've got a thrilling drone showdown between the Holy Stone HS110D, or as we'll call it, Holy Stone, and the Techwonderz drone with camera, which we'll just call Techwonderz. Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a flight. Let's dive right into the camera quality, because let's be honest, if your drone can't take a decent selfie, what's even the point? Holy Stone rocks a 1080p FOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. That's a lot of letters and numbers for pretty good. Meanwhile, Techwonderz flexes with not one, but two 1080p HD cameras, and the front one can rotate 90 degrees. It's like the drone equivalent of having eyes in the back of your head. Plus, it has a 50x zoom, which is perfect for spying on your neighbors. Just kidding, don't do that. Or do it, but don't tell anyone I said so. Reviewers say that Holy Stone's camera quality is decent but average, while Techwonderz is praised for its excellent picture quality and versatility. Next, let's talk flight time. Holy Stone comes with two modular batteries, giving you a solid 20 minutes of airtime. That's enough to impress your friends at a backyard barbecue. But Techwonderz, oh boy, this bad boy boasts an upgraded battery that offers a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. You could practically fly to your local coffee shop and back. Just kidding, please don't fly drones to coffee shops. Reviewers find Holy Stone's battery life to be a bit of a concern, although it's still appreciated for its price point. Techwonderz, on the other hand, is highly praised for its long-lasting battery. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. Holy Stone has altitude hold and headless mode, making it as easy to fly as a paper airplane. It's practically begging beginners to give it a whirl. Techwonderz, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. With optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, it's like it has a PhD in droneology. Plus, it's got fast and slow gears, so you can be a speed demon or take it slow like a Sunday morning. Reviewers appreciate Holy Stone for being beginner-friendly, while Techwonderz is celebrated for its advanced features and ease of use. Now, let's get to the fun stuff. Holy Stone can do 3D flips, which will make you the coolest kid on the block for about 10 seconds. It also has mobile control options, like voice control and gesture control. Imagine commanding your drone to take a selfie by making a scissor gesture. It's like magic, but real. Techwonderz, though, takes it up a notch with 360 degrees flips and rolls, waypoint functions, and follow me mode. It's basically your personal flying paparazzi. Just make sure it doesn't catch you in your pajamas. Reviewers find Holy Stone's features to be fun and adequate, while Techwonderz is praised for its extensive and impressive feature set. Both drones receive positive reviews, but for different reasons. Holy Stone is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use and solid performance at a budget-friendly price. Techwonderz, however, stands out for its advanced features, excellent camera quality, and impressive battery life, making it a favorite among more experienced users and those willing to spend a bit more. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want a solid drone to get started, Holy Stone is your go-to. But if you want to splurge a little and get a drone that can practically do your taxes, Techwonderz is the way to go. Either way, you're getting a flying gadget that's way cooler than that RC car you had as a kid. And remember, always fly responsibly. No one wants to explain to their neighbor why their drone is stuck in their chimney. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you think wins this showdown. Until next time, keep flying smart. Product links are in the description.